When getting angry, it can often be difficult to understand what your anger is directed to and the root cause of this intense emotion. People who want to understand their anger can use an Anger Iceberg model to understand the underlying emotions which hide in their anger. An iceberg model is often used for concepts where there are visible and invisible forces. The top of the iceberg are the visible forces, which in this case is the outward feeling of anger, and hidden below the surface of the water are other emotions which act as an invisible force on your anger. The Anger Iceberg model is based on the idea that when anger is outwardly present, it is very likely that there are other emotions hidden beneath an individual surface. In order for people to understand the nature of their emotions more deeply, it's important that they are able to recognize and identify what these simmering emotions are. By understanding this, patients can take necessary steps to ensure their anger is under control. For example, a patient whose anger is fueled by stress can engage with self-care. Questions you can ask yourself to make your own anger iceberg are: what do you think your anger is often triggered by? What emotions did you often show growing up? Were there any emotions that weren't allowed to be expressed growing up? The primary goal of this model is to show clients how interrelated their emotions are. Visit our Carepatron website for a free Anger Iceberg model worksheet. Practitioners can use this worksheet for free. Go to template section on our website. You can filter by category or type in the keywords to find a specific worksheet.